What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today's not going to be a normal video for me. I actually have an unboxing video. It may not be the only one, but this will be the only video that's not related to automotive parts or parts for my car. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do that, I want to just go ahead and say I will be doing a voiceover and I will be doing my best. I'm not the best at it, I know, but I'm gonna do what I can do, and then we'll just go ahead and get started. I will be unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This Hero 7 has gimbal-like stabilization for videos up to 4K 60, captures 12 megapixel photos, and has a new hyperlapse feature. The packaging comes with a 1220 mAh battery and a USB charging cord. It can take up to 4 hours to charge depending how you charge it. 2 mounts with adhesive, one is flat and one is curved for the helmets and other accessories. You get the normal quick start guide and warranty documents as well, but now let's check out some B-roll. Alright, so that's the end of this video. So make sure to hit that like button, squash that like button, smash that like button, do whatever you want to that like button, as long as you hit it. And then don't forget to hit that notification bell and the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in my next video.